Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. And in this video I would like to share with you about the pronunciation. Okay, we will check on two words that are easily confused to pronounce. Okay, even though they have the same spelling, but the pronunciation of them are different. Okay, so let's see them in this video. Okay, so the first one, okay, we have this word, okay, which is extra. Okay, extra. So we pronounce extra, okay, for this word alone, okay, which means in addition or to help more. Okay, simply we can say, can I have extra times? Okay, can I have extra time? That means, can I have more time? Okay, that means more of something. Okay, or do you have extra books? Okay, do you have extra books? Okay, that means we want to know whether the person have more books or not. Okay, so when we use it alone, we pronounce extra. Okay, but when we put with this one, okay, we check on this word. Okay, we put ordinary into it. Okay, we not gonna pronounce extra anymore, so we have to pronounce extra. Okay, extra. So this word become extraordinary. Okay, extraordinary, which means marvelous or amazing. Okay, so extraordinary. So we can say he has an extraordinary skill. Okay, he has an extraordinary skill. That means he has a very fabulous or very amazing skill. Okay, so simply we can see that the pronunciation of these two words are different. Okay, the first one we pronounce extra, and the second one we pronounce extra. Okay, so extra and extraordinary. Okay, so that's the difference.